Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm working on my rainbow journal, and today I thought I'd work on a red page. I initially was going to try to do pretty much the whole journal on video, but I don't think that's going to be possible because my allergies have flared up something fierce. And so lots of sniffling and snorting and coughing and sneezing, watery eyes, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to try to do one of each color. Okay, so here, let's see, on this side I've got some old musical theater papers, and I'm going to go ahead and add some more of that to this side. And where is... Just burnish that down. And I know it has some blues in it and stuff, but the red kind of stands out. Okay. Then what I want is let's see, I'm having to think and work at the same. Okay. On this side, I don't have a lot of red lace. Well, I don't have any red lace. The red and the orange, I think all the other colors I've got lace and plenty of lace and trims to work with. But on the red and the orange, I'm struggling a bit. So I'm gonna just run up this edge some of this red and white gingham. Just to give it a little added something. Okay. So I'll let that dry and then I'll cut it off. And then I'm going to move these aside for now. Then what I've got is I've got this popcorn bag that, since we've got theater stuff going on, I thought this popcorn bag would go well with that. So what I've done is I've taken and I've folded my popcorn bag because it's way too tall to fit that way. So I'm going to make this be a pocket on the back side of the popcorn bag. So got my Fabri-Tac out, so I'll just keep using it for now. So I'm just gonna put some glue on there. Oops. And pop that down on the pocket. Where, I know, oh, there it is. Okay. And then I've got this piece that says Dominion Theater. So we'll put that down. I'm absolutely loving this rainbow journal. In fact, I keep thinking of different things I'd like to do with this digital kit, which is making it, when my mind starts running like that, it makes it hard because I have to force myself to stay focused on one project at a time, but I just think this is too fun. And then I've got this strip. It's out of a children's book that just has some alphabet letters on it with a red background. So I'm going to put some of that on here. Just across the top like that. Okay. Now I'm going to want something else, sort of like a focal point on the pocket, but I don't know what yet. So I'm not going to do I'm just going to wait on that until no, see, that's too cartoony and very out of the theme. So I'm just going to leave that as it is for now, but I will come back and add to that. Okay, so I glued that paper down, and of course now my paper's wanting to curl a little bit, which is fine. I'll just need to okay, so let's take our popcorn bag. Ooh. Yeah. Go up both sides and across the bottom. Leave the top open for a pocket. Okay. And I think what I'm going to put in the bag, I'm not making any of the little ephemera pieces yet. I'll do that later, but I'm thinking maybe in here I'll have a little notebook in it, and I'll need obviously a paper clip to right there to keep it closed, but need to get that to straighten out a little bit. But that's where I'm starting. And like I said, I'll be putting I need a focal point right there. I just don't know yet what I want it to be. So, then we'll have this bag, and you can lift it up to open it. And you'll have the pocket behind it. And I think the fresh popcorn goes well with the theater stuff. So that is what I'm going to do for one of my red pages. And I may end up adding some more to this. Again, I don't know. So I'm trying to go with stuff as it comes to me, and then I can add to it as I go along. So pretty quick video, but that's it for today, working on my red stuff. And until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.